Bonjour, monsieur. This is a Citroën Picasso. Oh no.
Oh, he's on the phone.
The carriage.
He's not going to start.
Today, guys.
Oh
the Citroen's
no.
dead.
Oh no. That's not very good. It won't start. Oh no. What can we
I think the
do?
engine might be seized.
I think the engine might be seized. I don't know the car. I don't know the car's been off the road. How long? I don't know how long it's been off the road. There's the number plate, guys. You can check it out with the no MOT on it.
Citroën.
CY59LHC. There is the number. There's the Hyundai engine. See this cable? The jump leads. Look. It's their jump start on a Citroën Picasso 7-seater. Yeah, guys. There it is. The Citroën Picasso. It's not running, guys. I don't know. It's been. I didn't see a car drive before. I think the battery might be flat or something on it. He's gonna crank it. Nope, no luck. He looks leaving at the moment.
Oh,
He can't get that Citroen to run. Shut the door open, mate. Oh dear. He's jiggling the cables. Please not a foul. Please not a failure.
Hey, I jumped it backwards.
He's on the right way. He's
jumped
got the
on-
black on the black and the red on the red.
No, they got red in the back.
Oh no.
My jumped it backwards.
Oh no! You better not jump down your Citroen backwards!
What happened?
Then I'm gonna happen to your Citroen, buddy.
Don't let me go too long, mate. It's on the road.
This will be the last bit of this video, okay? Oh, get the owner coming out. That's the owner of the Citroen.
Oh, it's Mrs. Citroën.
If Mrs. Citroen, look, she's going to start up the Hyundai. She might rev up the Hyundai. Oh, look.
Two people, one in the Hyundai and one in the Citroën.
Oh no, I'm gonna rev the engine in the Hyundai. Man, I'm trying to start up the Citroen.
Oh. Oh! Click, click, click.
BMW.
Oh, I ain't but the Hyundai engine, are they?
Click, 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 click.
Yeah, the Hyundai engine went click. That is not sounding so good. Oh, that's a bit backed out if I do that. Oh, he's taking it on the Citroën. Oh!
It fouled.
Keep playing it longer. Oh, he should be loving it. Oh, it's Spartan. You mustn't do that.
He's checking these connections. He's re-checking these connections. Hopefully, guys, this part of this video, the Citroen will start. I don't know, guys. He's trying to start the Citroen his jump leads. Got that close enough. It's safe distance.
No, it's not.
Their cars are touching here, guys.
Yeah.
How not to jumpstart a car?
Well, to jumpstart a car, you would need a... Right, say the alley went dead. You need...
Oh no.
Is that the Korean car running out? Kim Jong-un's car
That
running
sounds
out.
really crappy, doesn't it, guys?
Got the Hyundai in camera, got the Hyundai.
Let's look at it.
Where? Oh. Oh dear. Who fired you, mate? Put your phone that way, you hand it out. 2 hands. You try to film that car.
In one hand, very stable, okay?
You try to do it at the window.
I'm not gonna jump over. Here you go, guys. The Citroen not gonna start. I think it's the battery. I don't really know. Guys, what's the smell? Oh no.
Aha.
Running.
No, it's not.
Position. Oh! You got it running!
Not the
That's
Citroen.
it, that's the Citroen.
As a Hyundai.
That's the Citroen.
Don't disconnect the cables. Don't feature as you disconnect the cables. And shut the bonnet down, both cars.
It's still running, guys. The Citroen's now. Hopefully it is the Citroen.
This won't be in that mode, it'll be too long. That mode. Yeah, do it now, mate, yeah.
So let's see that.